bird's name. First, crow. Crow. Crow means kawwa. Second, parrot. parrot. Parrot means tota. Third, owl. owl. Owl means ullu. Fourth, pigeon. pigeon. Pigeon means kabutar. Fifth, eagle. eagle. Eagle means garud. kite. Kite means gift. hen. Hen means murgi. cock. Cock means murga. peacock. Peacock means more. duck. Duck means batak. Bye.